Foundation leveling is the key to keeping your house from turning into a total nightmare with cracks, uneven floors, and doors that just won't shut right. So here's the deal. If you notice your floors slanting or your doors sticking, don't just ignore it because foundation issues only get worse. First, check your crawl space if you can look for any obvious gaps, sagging beams, or moisture problems that could be causing trouble. Keep in mind, an engineer might not figure everything out in one visit. Sometimes they need to come back after 6 to 18 months to take more measurements and see if the foundation is actually moving. Keep your gutters clean and make sure water drains away from your house, since water pooling near the foundation can cause serious damage. Also, don't try to fix big foundation problems yourself unless you know what you're doing, because it's easy to make things worse. If you see cracks wider than a 1/4 inch in your walls or foundation, that's a red flag to call a pro. Regularly inspect your home for signs like uneven floors, cracks, or doors that jam. Catching issues early can save you thousands of dollars down the road. One of the biggest mistakes people make with foundation leveling is ignoring early warning signs like small cracks or sticking doors, thinking it's no big deal, but those small issues can turn into huge headaches fast. Another common problem is water damage, because poor drainage around your home lets moisture seep into the foundation, so make sure your downspouts and grating direct water away properly. Lastly, relying on a single inspection without follow-up visits can give you a false sense of security, since foundation movement often happens slowly over time. Engineers usually need multiple measurements over months to pinpoint the problem accurately. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff about foundation, work, and home repairs. At the same time, it's a solid platform for contractors looking to connect with people who need jobs done right without all the usual hassle.